Here is our hot start. It's been running for at least 30 minutes, probably more, honestly. I'm gonna have to go out and put some gas in. I've been letting it run so long. See what you think. Accessories. I'd say it's definitely not the same as a cold start, but it definitely fires up. Let's try it again. Seems like once it hits like 500 RPM, seems like it's a good spot for it to be, to start. Try it one more time. Rev it up a little bit so we don't flood it. Say it's not happy about it, but it does it. Definitely a large improvement. Before, there would be nothing to even video because the car just would not start. The tack would barely even move when you were cranking it. So that's it. Success.